Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down in the description. So, go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline will suit your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we continue, did you smash the like button? I know you're done. Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, then continue with us. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. So, as you see here, that the daily candle here, it's finished. So, till now, there is nothing new here in the daily. After we break in here, that inside bar we used to have here, and also we said we are going here to 31,500. Till now we are very close to that level. Actually now also we are 30,200. We're still 3,500. So till now people they enter with us, they are in nice profit till now. So now what should we do here at that level here? I'm talking here about long-term traders. We said before we got here a up channel like that how we said it before. As you remember, people they been with us, they remember that channel we used to have. Even that channel now is getting broke here. Now either that channel is getting broke, that one here is a real breakout here, and that means the market it will continue upward. But me personally, I'm still thinking there is a correction going to come, guys. Why? I'm going to tell you why in that video. Also, yes, we started in a bull run. We started from down here. People, they've been with us. We buy Bitcoin from 15k, and also we are the only YouTube channel. And me, I am with you here. Go to all YouTube channels and see if anyone tell you to buy from here, and me, I'm ready to put that video live for you here. No one in YouTube tell you to buy Bitcoin from 15k the day of FTX collapse here. Also, we are the only YouTube channel we tell you to buy Bitcoin from 15k. So look where you are now. You double your money. If you buy with us from 15k, us now we are at 30k. If you buy just $100, that 100 now is 200. If you buy 1000, now you got 2000. If you buy 3000, you got 6,000. Look what is it there. Now for people they haven't entered, they still have a chance. It's going to come a correction, guys. Remember that. It's going to come a chance for you. Why? I'm going to tell you why. Now what should we do here? Should we enter short? No, there is no price action here. It's telling you need to enter short. Even if you make like that a mega fall like that, maybe it's going to fall down here to break it down or to break it up. But me, I'm still thinking it's going to go till 31,500. Then after that it's going to fall down. Everything is too clear. Let me show you why me I'm believing there is a correction going to come. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. Here today is the most important day for that week or that month. Is going to come that one here. You see it or no? The CPI of USA or inflation of USA. Over here in investing.com, it's showing it's going to fall down to 5.2. That's very good news. If it fall down to 5.2, me, I will tell it to you from now. If it fall down to 5.2, you're going to see Bitcoin going to 34k. If it fall down to 5.2, you're going to see the Bitcoin is going to 34k. Remember that. So tomorrow, guys, is a very huge day. And tomorrow, what make things more worse is not only the CPI. It's going to come even here, the Fed meeting minute. So even that one is got a big impact to the market. You need to be careful, guys, tomorrow. If you are in profit till now, try to protect yourself by moving the stop loss up. Try to close some profit or lock some profit. Everything is too clear. And here is our friend. The table also we're looking at it every day. Look at it here. US stocks today. The only one who closed green is the Dow Jones. The SP is red. The Nasdaq is red. So there is something not right here. Plus, here is our friend, is the VIX. Today, the scarness is go back above where we used to be yesterday. Yesterday, we used to be 18.80 something. Now we are 19.1. That means also we are very close to break above 20, guys. Yes or no? Plus, the US dollar is going up a little bit because people, they are scared from the CPI tomorrow. If the CPI doesn't fall down, there is a big problem is going to happen to US economic, guys. So let's wait in tomorrow what the CPI data is going to tell us. That's why I told you, try to lock some profit. You don't know what's going to happen. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go in to see the Bitcoin, what it's doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. People they been with us. They remember that we used to have here a channel like that. You can find it in 2 weeks videos. We being here waiting the break. It happened at break here, exactly here. Also, we said it like that. We came. We make it like that, and we came here, and we do it like that. We said the target is going to be here at 21,500. That's what else we said. Did it bring it? Not yet. And over here, it's showing to us there is a rejection here at that level here where we are. Look at it. There is a rejection now here. Now here, we can make a price action like that. As you see it, we got here a downtrend or an uptrend. As you see it here, we came here, here, and here. That's the uptrend we got here. It's very clear uptrend here. But when we waited, if we get it broke down here, we can enter short, guys. Remember that. We can enter short from here. Yes or no? Another uptrend. Let me show it to you. You can do it from here. You see? From here. From that level here, you can do like that. You see it or no? That one, it's more accurate than the first one. Because the first one used to be here, look at it, here, like that. Second one is high here, so that means you're going to enter early in the first one. Yes or no? In the top, you can come here to that one here, that peak here, and you do it like that. As you see it, you got here a very clear wage, guys. A very clear wage. Look at it. Look here. We started from here and here. And down, we came here and here. Yes or no? Now, what should we do, guys? People, they been with me. What should we do? You waiting the break to happen here or to happen down here. Then, you looking. If it's breaking above here, in that level here, you enter long. If it's breaking down here, you enter short. But for the long, people, they been with us. They enter from down here. Now, they are in nice profit. The only thing I can tell you now, try to protect yourself. You don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. And no one know what is it the data is going to come from the CPI. So try to protect yourself. You don't know what's going to happen. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicators, what they're saying. Our indicator, as you see it, guys, where we are here at the overbought area, guys. We are at the overbought area. People, they been with us. They know what meant overbought area. Also, we don't enter from overbought area. People, they been with us. They remember that. Also, we don't enter from overbought area. And now we got here, as you see it, an uptrend, a new uptrend here in our indicator. What should we do now? For people they haven't entered, they need to wait in the correction to happen to here, and from there they will enter long again. Yes or no? The good news now, also we are now in a bull market. Look at that. Also we are in a bull market. There is no entry short unless if we enter to the zone where the bears they controlling. And now we got here an uptrend, as you see it, very clear. People they haven't entered, wait in the correction and try to enter from there. Don't be dumb money, as I've been teaching you. People, they enter from the top is only the dumb money. Always be a smart money. Always find corrections and try to enter from them. Don't enter from the top. Everything is too clear, guys. Now, let's go in to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, as you see it, also we've been here at the overbought area for some time now, and also we're breaking the last high now. Now, technically, what should you do? I just show you the price action you have here. You got here like that, and here in the top like that. You got here a very clear wage here. You waiting that wage. If it's getting broke down here, you enter short. If it's getting broke above, you enter long. For the people they haven't entered. People they enter with us before, you don't need to enter now. People they enter with us from here, from that channel we used to have here, that one here. You enter from here, stop loss of you, it used to be here. Try to move it here to the break even here to that line. You don't know what's going to happen. Or if you don't want to move it there, just move it to here and try to close a little bit of profit. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, did you smash the like button? I know you did. Pause the video now, smash the like button, writing down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. So please, go ahead and do it. You done it. Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, people they being with us, they make very, very, very nice profit with us here in 30 minutes. Now here at that level where we are. What I told you yesterday. I told you need to wait in a price action here. Did it give you here a price action? Look with me here what you have. Look with me here. What you have? You got here a megaphone here in 30 minutes. That megaphone, we've been talking about it for thousands of times now. What we've been saying about it? Been saying it's need to get broke down here for you to enter short, or it's need to get broke above here for you to enter long. Yes or no? Look at it how I draw it. You come here and you draw it very clear here. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator, as you see it, we've been here at the overbought area for some time. That's why me I told you don't follow indicators. Indicators, they are just useless sometimes. Also, we're using them just like a filter to know us we are in the top. We don't need to buy at that time. Now, what should we do? Because our indicator is here at the overbought area. We are in a very, very stronger level in 4 hours, in the daily, in the weekly, everywhere. Also, we are in a very stronger level. Should we enter short? No, my friend. It's need at least to come to break here. If it doesn't break down here, there is no entry short. Actually, if it's breaking above here, enter long again. Let me show you something very important here in 30 minutes. Look here in 30 minutes, guys, what we got. Look here, that indicator of us. And look here, what you got. What you got here. A very clear divergence here. Should you enter short? No. There is no entry short. Because those ones down, they are just oscillators. Also, we're using them just as filters. The most important is the price action. The price action is telling you to enter short. No, it's need the price action to tell you to enter short. Everything is too clear, guys? So, that's it for that video. And please, guys, please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.